Good evening, everybody. My Edo State people, if you don't know, if you sound over, if you don't see, if you have fema, if you want, it's why there will be a meeting next month, the Europe if you wanna, on the 20 June 20 next month. There will be a meeting. My if you do so go on now. On our register a movement in Edo Restoration, the United Kingdom of Edo, United Kingdom, register. Maybe we to win at a Niger Delta. Now we forming Niger Delta. More Edo or we Niger Delta. I call we have because insult Nibibu when Nibibu do our na or do to agbi, you know, or do to agbi. Message agbi man. So, and I will do lot as if I invite you here do ya. No European and especially no Italy, go Italy and we asikoko. A different way am agbene ya ladian later. Manivia do sonorema kivisanke ya magbaze nana you. But on the 20 ita am I why mo logbe ma yegban ladian. Never no interest keke no be my contact man. I will know again as a Ami Boyari. You know, say when I'm the 20 of next month, it's because of this COVID-19 thing or all. When I tell why Tiasiko for now. Or say when I by then, maybe all boss or son on Mastiati Kokona, the Mado Zio ye a baby nana. My way, I will not decano. Not decano view, I. In social media now, Ayana so, Etiam ticketing. But my ewa Kyobori, na mina di kanu ni a few bog birawu na mi we yan idwa fikbe gi mani wie do aji ma we wa un dai ma me tin so ni o wa the social media no imania no could not figbe you wa my aesthetic Kyobori video. This thing is getting too much and it is time for us to put stop to this onyamiri nonsense. A time na air put stop to it. Ma wajina we de iro ma sijin agbe mama sijin ere wo ni na onko wo the ogwe wo ni a on with Fulani ni ate asim ye power yen ba bi Yoruba ikawe tai mani de do mama reba ana miewe ibigbo meya ifi wi eya awewa ya iwe ya mbo video no ma ya video ori ya propagating oge na ya mujedo but any set sunu e bi meragbon my ti torore ti bi my sunu yo wa no social media no do amu yedo but iwo my ni afi were abo nyamiri me set torore toni no oni set gba because ina dika no oge atu agbe ni e ma si yo egbe or we fight ye war ye fight ye Biafra we don't return back to their state or fight state in Amunia when you are with Biafra when you are with the Biafra eti di maya onkonsa odo mama yi di maya onkofulani or we metin ya agbi no ya onkofula eni buni ata baba na me ya miesin ibie bo yan na gbogba ye a bridge Niger bridge not leaking out to Viansa ya block ya you there we me na woman me ya na ya ma wa gele block e de ya ma oyo ya gbe yo gbere we etian bu no vote Hausa ni ball wa yo Hausa ni dweki wo Hausa ni ball infrastructure hotels ni investment no ya ma je ni re ya gbe we bi wo yo tore ni ya block de na ya na kwe me ni ya ho e na ahia me yo na we na dikanu ogbon ladian ye ma support na we go no na wa onyamiri ni wa ini also what South Africa akunya we na wewe wa we agbevie Nigeria South Africa yan no uga se e Ghana akunya we na wewe ibi Ghana egbin awo yan the China wa akunya e Kenya akunya e Zimbabwe akunya take ni bigbo e la be na mana reject yan imata me yan ina dika no ga live na or anybody no call themselves South is an idiot the same idiot we no know we are the country. A 5 state one, no makpolo say Niger, or makpolo say Edo and Delta. Edo state keke Delta sana kwekube, no mano e bende. O tegbo ya 5 state in Igbo makpolo ba. So they know and the way Nigeria yaji. They know the only way they can have their country is to force other states like Akwa Ibom State, River State, Cross River State, Bayelsa State, Delta State, they have forced for them to be able to have a country. And the only way they can do it is to be disrespecting everybody, insulting everybody, as if you must see you like we to one hour here. I be ozuo. You just know I can't know. Can't give you sense no way. Oh, they fight for your. What did they fight for? Insulting everybody on the fight. Agbema egwe Nigeria ma. Agbema egwe Nigeria na Nigeria. Ba kagi you na ya femi gudie ma ekini mata. Na ya rovia bo omani sewe. Wa rovia bo ba. Rovia be nigi no revo. Masiti tororete gbe nani. Wa mi country we no wana giagwana. Wa ye a five state or igboni wa ya suwen. Wa joni suwen. Wa de fibo adidian. We traditional ruler, you to traditional ruler, you to. For 40 years, me was saying, "Man, making up banana you turn on my command, or by you turn 100 way." Aha, one I sunu. If you ever, you need getting yabo, you talk. Eke mayana de luton maya buwa. If you ever, ni yabo ni mayana de na anabuwa. Turn up parobe, don't know where you turn in yabuwa. Yama munoge wa mwa de social media to where you wear. If you do na gwaye gwaye, and ya ni mweno ro e wa tota weni tene na bane umi yama kana tota na maya ginya uni o teori ya wa ni na mudia de ete blame bigbo e wa yegbu wani ya wa so yegbu wani ya wa yegbu wani ya wa yare akami social media de wa yegbu wani ya but the boy with me set me na egbe ya me ya gbinani ya to make sure where na egbe fun yare ide Biafra dana but na is so na na where o me hoy e me keru yunu panis ke na amiani setisunu oni setisunu e ma ya seti bia o dan ya woni mewe oni setisunu e dedegbe no ya segbe da idiot boy that Simola pa e dedegbe ne gbagbo degbe oho me platform woni na dika no me platform no ya gu ya gbongwa yi me e gbagbo degbe oho e gbagbo mo egbona until or apologize to Edo Kingdom. Or apologize to the royal house. Or apologize to the man here do because Emma Boru no see Mama Boru no subia. Mama Jaji Egbe if you don't mind larger than no way in Megbinania, no when we are Biafra or the royal house or Boda ye Biafra or go here. I send a COVID-19 live on our the only Oba, the only king in Nigeria, no larger open a guy palliative in Nigeria. Human right, human traffic very terrible. Now we just say naga yibewu. Why we know no ma yuna? Why we know no ma una? Ini gabo bagi miena. The senator me 38 million every month. Niya ya via the Senate House. Unuba wa total den not tawe. You go ni senator me bologbe. Expect or bologbe na CS koto. A senator ga me 5 million or ye bologbe in Nigeria. Ma total gboyoni. Emana o oni agbo ya donate muno oni ovi ansani no na ya happy ma donate this COVID-19 emani ne ano wetin ya ri yobo na iviogo ya ri bo so ni o ma mi ni ensu the following day na mo na e office won gba wa tuta den no gbotani na mi ego do wa finugie ina de kanu ya le o ya le je na when wa no nya po ati ma so me no manya ya ko when wa ri o to na de kanu ya le no na fi pe yedu. Eje not about Tigbo. Umami country. E one territory. Only that besunu. Yeah, pente a war. Yeah, where I don't be a kuku war. I'm not a kuku war. You know what? Wallow wamie. When Kuna what the baby mana, what the full and wamie be war. If you don't make a ban, what Uro V money. Ultima all sorts of name, idiot, ejima this, ejima fool, only mado no ya table te oturubu, ya table te shakiri, ya table te equal people, ya table te ijo, yamana mi when you are running, when you a rejection everywhere, wakwen at Biafra, do a man of time when I Biafra. It is a Biafra, Biafra tie, it is Maufra. If you Portuguese or winning in your Maufra. Vogu menini ya maofra. Diya Portuguese enime nabata ya gogole Portuguese language uwe maofra. MAUFRA. Maofra or mini we emani we word emani regard emani uncultured, unrude people. Or a maofra. enya tieri ani ahenya ni ahenya. After some time yana do corrupted the name to Biafra. Biafra, it is Maofra. If you put to give a yourself why you go interpret well, yana carry yana name that people evaluate that part of the world. A Maofra now do corrupt to Biafra. Mota up to today side gani everywhere they go yamo to surely give bovara. Uga ya gbebe Nigeria shine yano. Ya the Asia country, the Europe country, we go busebo. Yeah, to do how ni na me ya mass or ya phone. I said this no. There do no nagbia. I go no nyamiri. I go no nyamiri. Look, aman wa me Biafra. Mama see you e Biafra go why see level door. Otono who claiming a data state, who claiming a Biafra Bayelsa, who claim a cross river, who claim a river, where are ye cross river, where to re, Banera woo, woo, or Massati the way better, or Mwe Fulani, or Kodomi Nigeria, not by nose, Buhari knows, woman rapper, no ma rapper, Meto Wamua, time 20 are blocking in Udena. Meto to women were Ayagbina, because here, they talk anyhow. Dina di canon in wine, where we have been freedom. The neighboring state. Even already your neighboring state. Where we they maybe okona sunu. Neni muja iwe yeke. Where we wa mi Nigeria ni ugeni. Awe oye no revu ma government olue. Amasi aye ni levu no nya di oye ni aya adolevu nya yi. Igbo president ogbon omo yui. Okonkwo agu yuronsi. My toge. Because in my duni na woma any yama ta. Every year, 1965. We are planning out here Adakaburu. Carry 10 and I had to repeated when Adakaburu, the first person who can declare Niger Delta Republic. Or when the when he go, but I president, the when he go, Yadwa, Sioya, the winner, Yad Dollar, if you have Nanamio, the Niger Delta, in your Sussex, Begani. Then I want to declare Niger Delta Republic. Ojuku, Omanaga president, the Aguji Ronsi. Ona the Ojuku bag when you no one so yagano. Ayana been 12 days ya on Koni to measure when ya go yana money yana bonye unu yana life in death penalty ariene Adakaburu. Yana mo arieko when the headquarter rudo. Yana money arieko. Enigi sunu ni ya agigba guju ronsi. And then have a move your way because it's not soon anywhere. Kegani ba kenike no ire Nigeria or ye roto well no na e federal government o nya e bi an samu e your video if you gbo mo e your video if you gbo yagbon log ma get mata my gbe they know e ma gbe ba na mo ni ya na we Fulani ri abere mi ya e ma en so afa no na ya we ye mo bi ani ge Adakaburu ye mo ye prison osaba yuki dollar so egonwa yana gbeme na guju no se egonwa na iwa like power egonwa ya free ara wolowo ana be free Adakaburu woma we do gbe Nigeria deba na make sure we igbo agwo hian wa we na ovie Nigeria Delta oge Adakaburu gbe wa bonye uwugbe muda ogun awe oye wa me wunye uwa ya dollar wunye yi ovie na deba Nigeria army bi gbo ete iba eyan mo ebo gbeba wu na ovie ma be to ovie at the age of 25-26 oya igbinani eyan ye mo ebo gbe ti today adebo no kere ibie Akwa Ibom inside Nigeria Delta wodo every pupo ni aye ire o sege na aye ire bia wa mo ebo gbeba obi ere gun Igbo president mo ye prison when I obi ansa no gi free we na bugbe eri win na lelo o ga ime win na lele yan because we born you bugbe me man ri o you say ire wa free when we dey ba ma onkura we dey ba wa wuye gan wa o abagbo amata no ruwe e ma e gata bi yan rebe gan ni amoko yan amoko bi yan laidu mama mo egboko o ma kama we were just midwest region okoni no sunu wo between Igbo and the Yoruba even in matana when you ade when you na dia kanu ade no do sa your monu yan ire yan impose their own brother yan do mo o ye governor we do again ni ba gba mu jamara ran okeke ni any adu ya reinforce na ya Igbo we do yan ila doba ma bi yan gbagbi na ye mo okua ma bi yan gba arukua they should fail yan pente we if Igbo wa aroge ana agba kweku ugwa meme wani o very wa meme because why are not did Igbo mu dia oge ga agbin ya be bi yan uvedo bi ya wore Their plan was to go and overthrow the government. The government man, Lagos a president was living in Lagos. Their own was to go to Lagos, I'm president, because they think they have the power to go to Lagos, I'm president. They didn't tell me president is very for instance. If anybody was Sister Fulani, more time, if anybody was Sister Fulani, where a good job around out in on me, again, I know the like a prophet. I mean, megati lenia on yemen nane mebu imakba asare dokubo o makpa ya segbe ana mana ge oruka o makpa o mana ebi osia no mo bia pa Yoruba pa no e bati e mayogun dari onye bi na ge iri 6 months bi ni a ya o ga se ina bia kanu agun a ogwewe Yoruba de Yoruba tie boni to ya ge we no wa watami level I know where I did Nigerian dogbina or we Mandela ba eje no pa gbina or we pa yeweri etebiti where we are je yunu unu we ne unu awa yunu kalo e no pa territory no pa igbo unu keka we turi we are did Nigeria nu we dogbina ne ewu nu we are yoda okonima ewu we serious no ya yedo we wa gbera na my brother oni setigisunu I said it the all those nonsense a story in here in Taiwan in a can go talk for radio let nobody have a gang here if we go new war abu nyamiri ni why we live video because in a can we live video na be making every dona a comment I na give do so no do aye comment ya gbenigbin ya zu oba me comment viewer I na dika up man we get money have be bagbeni agba tell me Biafra we man you are just like them but eja yagbi na ye Biafra look one can hotel wase wano nyamiri why can ebu wase one can na zigbo and uwigbo ni o waye be referendum why we igbo ya de ba be ezu na waye referendum ina di kanu there's no way I forgive until ina di kanu or apologize to the royal house or apologize ni vie do ya fefe oni ne samla pani oni yo refune de ni we dan ye gba mo video re o we video e dona sunu eje no pa sunu wedo e for Fulani come wedo we gba oge ana brane a Ombo video that where Fulani have streeted do FZ do and so what be if Fulani take $50 and sakota if you go buy forestry be ba if you go no vuwa wa onine if you go no Abia state wa oni no Imo state we onine ya oni ari ebuwa wa mo igboku we oni ave mani yo wa na reason mani ma ye school e mani ma ye school kaka eni ya team we o ma ge go we nevu nim nedo Nedo de ba Biafra, Sunny salt nedo de ba Biafra. Nedo de ba Biafra. Edo wa said very on we wa bu edo de ba Biafra. O wa give Yoruba we nedo de ba do. Nedo de ba Biafra. Abe man mita ye Biafra. Iye onyamiri. O wa give atani ma Fulani. Egbe wa wo me o. Wa bu na bu we ya de Biafra ka haro ye bu we ne. Wa mwe bogbe wuwe tujin we na rie na ebuwe we kinwe na we na ebu e social media na de bible a social media mana wa na tebu no ade bible no e ade ba social media na ta wa tuore no wado ata where you go no we Niger Delta where igbo no where is Delta state we dagmo when no so Delta state where you click the Delta state where River state River state yeah where you Bayelsa where kenana mioye when senore where Ogoni a village Ogoni wow abagbon what total we Abia state in Atana a room in Noah a room who are so small a room what total ye that way nana san is a Biafra in that canu ona we wa obe ogbeno eje nana we afem o ma tete the spell san Biafra ma tete spell na we look. We were meant to the spell. You don't even know what you are talking about. Because one nuisance. Or maybe 2 or 3, 4 people call you. Or what for? Or when I work for you, what on a room, what banner and warrior boy mean? You are doing. Look, Wetama, on the 20th of next month, If you because if go there we hear dot back I Google. I dot back I Google. If you TV san TV do ya. TV afema if you unshi wade. On Maria my imeta we mama iwa ami no se o ima wa preach keka my mo no ba ma yakiba yata roda owie san in uwe owie sare biafra no paro no na doro na emota ima wa preach na ni ma bi atami ibi agbon we yes go boni buma ge boni ma o ge ibi buma adiba ma adiba ma o ma adiba ma and for now we prefer the Nigeria na dim overall di ma do gbi na ma pa Nigeria ma to be ma decide on it ma strategize on him ni na ni o wa na iwe ina di kanu no zuwa na keki wa ne regard anybody no me respect anybody ne regard that was the traditional ruler ma do be right there no do sponsor have a nuisance have a miscreant with social media no do have ghetto you know it is going to be a full stop. If don't ambassador you how when you go red otherwise why warning at the can why you warning otherwise why could any yet don't remember the gualo enough is enough go wala mak pe your tase e do one ya se gba be ni o wa na ni ko fi gba wa why me one agbona I may duplicate always get it too much. The social media is to promote yourself. Is to be exposed, is for you to be able to see the world. Social media is all about to see those who might you can to relate to people, to befriend people, to do something the world can benefit. All this social media, that's what it's all about. To preach something, to change something. Not to be insulting people, not to be attacking people, not to be insulting yourself, insulting your tribe. Because Mama is school. Definitely Nigeria is bad. Things are not going well in Nigeria. Focus your attention on Nigeria. Because in Nigeria, man, things are going wrong. School, no education, nothing. But don't marry anybody you claim you are fighting for freedom and insulting my tribe. It is unacceptable. No, it's unacceptable because if you don't rule in Nigeria, there. We are not the one that kept you up stage. We are not the one that is stop you from having your Biafra. Not my royal father. You have never in any way come out and say something about your Biafra. Take care of. You have never in any way come out and say, okay, you must support your Biafra. Leave him alone. They have Obas in the north. They have kings in Yoruba land. If you they blame why? Why me why? Why me why? It's unacceptable. I'm telling you, enough is enough of this nonsense. And I will not relent and I will not rest. You know, the canon is bomber to bomber. On the 20th of next month, if maybe this COVID-19 lockdown, when we improve, then people are begin to do their normal thing or go out, stuff like that. So, on the 20th of next month, June next month, there's going to be a meeting here in Italy. The venue, I say, if you do not have any interest, ma no be my new tea. Ma come together so that ma talk about when I register our flag and me not I suggest could be. So we have to do that. We have to. We have any other choice than to do that because we can no longer sit back and watch the canon, indoctrinating our people, misleading our people, confusing our people, disrespecting us, insulting our tribe. We are the adults. They are not better than us. In all ramifications, Igbos are not better than us. They are not better than us. The crime they are committing around the world, if they don't mind committee half. Enough. We can no longer tolerate this nonsense any longer. You know, they cannot right whatsoever. No talk about our royal father, talking about our empire. It's not fair. It's not fair. Because when you correct in Adikanu, there's a way these people will attack you. If you talk to Adikanu, these people attack you. They start running insult on you. So when of your bad or bad, we will never allow that again. Cause on me do my son wa. I can always year do no rima ata if ya ho man o year do no change. O vi man no change. Ya onya miri. Kabo dan